Welcome back. Today we are bringing our body language expertise into the realm of personal relationships. Whether you're navigating the dating scene, building a strong friendship, or maintaining a long-term partnership, understanding the nuances of nonverbal communication can significantly enhance your connections and deepen your intimacy with others. Let's start with attraction and dating. In the initial stages of attraction, body language plays a crucial role. Flirtatious signals. Subconsciously, we use certain gestures and movements to signal interest. These can actually include hair touching. Playing with hair, tucking it behind the ear, or twirling a strand can draw attention to oneself and be perceived as flirtatious. Eye contact. Prolonged eye contact, especially accompanied by a smile, is a powerful indicator of interest. Leaning in, leaning towards someone while they're speaking shows engagement and a desire for connection. Mirroring. Subtly mirroring the other person's body language can create a sense of rapport and connection. As relationships progress, body language continues to play a vital role in building intimacy and trust. Open posture. Facing your partner directly with open arms and uncrossed legs signals openness and vulnerability. Touch. Appropriate touch, such as holding your hands, hugging, or cuddling, can release oxytocin, and it's a hormone that promotes bonding and trust. Active listening. Maintaining eye contact, nod occasionally, and use facial expressions to show that you're fully present and listening. In established relationships, body language can help maintain connection and address conflicts. Expressing affection. Regular displays of affection through touch, hug, and kisses reinforce your love and commitment. Open communication. Use open gestures, maintain eye contact, and avoid defensive postures like crossed arms during conversations. This actually fosters a space for honest communication. Mirroring emotions. Empathy is key in any relationship. Mirror your partner's emotions through your facial expressions and body language to show that you understand how they feel. Recognizing the negative cues. Closed off posture, crossed arms, turning away, or avoiding the eye contact can indicate defensiveness, disinterest, or a desire for distance. Lack of affection. A decrease in affectionate touch or physical intimacy might signal a disconnect or underlying issues. Tension. Tightened muscles, clenched jaw, or furrowed brow can indicate stress, anger, or frustration. Guys, you just have to remember that body language is always a two-way street. It's important to be mindful of your own nonverbal cues as well as those of your partner. By paying attention to these subtle signals, you can deepen your understanding of each other, navigate challenges more effectively, and strengthen the bonds of love and friendship.